Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon of the application and tap on it to open the app. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see your AMAZFIT Active 2, in our case round edition. Now scroll down, find the option called Unpair, the button, tap on it. Here you can select if you want to retain some data, and you can select to retain the local music, offline maps, App Store apps, watch faces and workout history. If you don't care about them, you can keep them unchecked, but if you want to retain the data, check the boxes next to the data type you want to keep on your watch after you unpair it. And once you're done, tap on Unpair. It will start the process. The watch will disappear from the device page, and I believe it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. As you can see, it is. So wait until the resetting process is complete. Basically, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And we can close the app. Let's wait for the languages to pop up. Here we have it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on.